Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about introduction to Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint just it's an application that deals with presentations, making presentations. Yes, and it's used for lectures like lecturing because you can see those images. They can easily see what the lecturer is talking about. And also those videos can be put uh, and that's so into each right now. So PowerPoint has what we call slides, as we are going to see. We have slides in different formats, slides like cover page, slides showing different differences, points. So, so I'm going to use a blank presentation. I'm going to start from scratch. Yes, till we come up with a good presentation. Yes. So here is our blank presentation, and this is how it looks like. So you can type here your title and subtitle. Yes. So this is a slide. Yeah, this is a slide, and you can add more slides. Yes, as you proceed, just come here, new slide on home, new slide. So you can add a new slide, maybe title and content. So it depends on what you want. You can add a section slide, maybe two contents. Maybe you want to talk about something, so you can get such a slide. Maybe you want to talk about uh, advantages and disadvantages. We can use such a slide. Maybe you want to a blank page. So these are all kinds of slides that can you can use. And in these slides, you can add a picture. You can add an image from your device or from the internet. You can add a video. See, yes, you can add a video, and you can insert a table, as you see, insert a chart, 3D models, and smart art graphics. So, so all these you're seeing are slides, and you can add the same things I've told you back. You can add them this side and also this side. So, yeah, so that's it about Microsoft PowerPoint. And another thing we can on the home, maybe you have something like this. Maybe I'm writing about maybe the black flies. Maybe this presentation is about black flies. Okay, so here in the home, you see it's now activated. So I can increase, I can change you know I can change the font style depending on what I want. Okay, maybe that I can change its size. Yeah, so you see, I can do a lot of stuff with it. I can you know the color, see, and all that. So basically, I can underline it, I can make it italics, I can bold it. Okay, so yeah, and maybe another thing is that we can there's what you call there's what they call a master slide. I think you guys have ever heard of it, a master slide. So it's under view, So a master slide is slide master. So a master slide is just this slide whereby the things I do here, they will be reflected on the other side. Okay. So for example, this slide, if I edit it in such a way, maybe I make it to be maybe red in color. I make it to be red, yeah, like that. And I underline it. Okay. Also, the other side it will be the same as you see here. That all the titles, all the titles are red in color. So that's basically about master slides. So maybe I make this one to be green, maybe green. Yes, you see that it should be reflected on all the other slides. So basically that's about the master slide. So master slide enables us, like, it saves time. Okay, so you can do a lot of stuff on the master slide. You can add a good background, is depending on what you want. So if I make this my background, it should be reflected on all these other slides as you see. Yes. So after applying your changes to master slide and all your effects, just close, then you come here, so you see. So everything is applied here. So master slide, the moment you do all your edits on the other side of the master slide, okay, then you just everything will just be everything will just be reflecting. The moment you're done with all the things on this side, just close master view, then you come back this side. So everything just moving on way. So in PowerPoint we have what we call transitions. Transitions are basically these ones, they occur between two successive slides. For example, I can maybe say the first slide, I want it to be a push, like it's going to appear like a push, or I can be like let it be like something like that. Then on the second slide, when it comes in, let it be you see, let it be, like curtain thing. Okay, so that's it. So transitions, they occur between slides, entry of a slide, entry of a slide. Yes. So in animations, this one they deal with text. So maybe my text here is my name. So I highlight it. I can be like let it be, let it swivel. Okay. So that's what they call an animation. So you can keep on applying these things in the your slides. Then you have a slideshow. You have what we call a slideshow, and the slideshow, you know, it, this one shows you it's like more of a like an automatic thing, So for example, you can say from the beginning. So these slides will be, presenting themselves from the beginning. Either I can set them click or automatic. Okay. So yeah, basically that's it. You can even take screenshots. You can record. You can add in designs. You can add in designs. All these are designs. Okay. You can insert photos, pictures. You can use word art, equations. Yes. So that's it about PowerPoint introduction. So see you in the other next video as I do a PowerPoint presentation for you guys. Okay, see you. Bye.